First shot's Winchester white box. Alright, there's 15 rounds. Take some more right out of the box here. And these are, yeah, I got some focus fail going on there. Maybe you can see that. These are Winchester white box. It's not stuff that I bought just to. I haven't filled the box up. Well, I saw that on another video where a guy was accusing the poster of filling a box of Winchester up with 12 ounce. Alright, 15 more Winchester white box. Let's see if I can keep that in the frame here. Alright, there's 15 more. No hiccup. Another 11 more. Oh, really much more. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill up this last magazine with 5 real quick, just so I don't have to keep switching between, but it is, there it is. Alright, we'll shoot the 5 first. No issues. There's 15. Alright, so there's 50 Winchester white box through a 4th gen Glock 19. It's dirty. Stuff's dirty. You can see it's dirty. I mean, that was a clean gun when I came out here. So now we're looking at 400 rounds through the Glock, and just doing alright so far.